Did you know that with the new Salesforce mobile app, admins can customize which apps and which navigation items are surfaced to all of your mobile users? And your users can even customize their own experience on mobile by making adjustments to their own personalized navigation and their favorites. Let's take a look at how you can help your users customize their experience. In our last video, we logged into a Winter 20 org and visited the new Salesforce mobile app Quick Start area of setup. What we did yesterday was upgrade our admin tools and created a permission set for ourselves and our users to give access to this new mobile app. Now let's take a look at how we make specific apps available for mobile. In our setup tool, we do have a handy one-button tool to upgrade all of your Lightning apps at once and make them available for mobile. We tried to make it easy to upgrade all of your apps at once and make them available for mobile. However, I want to manually add an individual app to the mobile experience for now. So I clicked into the app manager, and when I scroll to the bottom, I can find my Sunshine Chocolates app. And when I click edit, I'm taken to that app details page. On app details, when we select our app options, I can see what form factors this app is available for. It's supported currently on desktop, but I can select desktop or desktop and phone. So I select desktop and phone and click save. Now I've made this Sunshine Chocolates app available on the mobile app launcher. Now let's go back to the mobile app Quick Start. I've got a few more things I'd like to update for my users. At the bottom, we've got our navigation menu. The navigation menu is where we can select what are the default tab options that are available for our mobile experience. So I can see on the left my available tabs that are not yet added to mobile, and on the right I've got all of my selected tabs. So I can make adjustments here. I know that my users use events quite often, so I can bubble that up near the top. I can make some changes and move groups up, and I can also bring items over from the left as well for maybe available items like our Lightning usage app or approvals. So now let's take a look at the experience for our mobile users. When we go into our mobile app, we are in our new Salesforce mobile app, and on the bottom right, when we click on menu, that mobile only menu is defined by that mobile navigation where we added particular tab items. But when we go into App Launcher, now we have Sunshine Chocolates as an available app because we made it available for mobile. And all the tabs here are defined by those specific apps. So on Sunshine Chocolates, it's defined by the tabs in the Sunshine Chocolates app. And on the mobile one, it's defined by that mobile nav. But we want to give our users even more power to customize the experience. So let's go to the desktop and imagine that we're a sales user. We're in the Sunshine Chocolates app as an end user, and we're working with our list views. We have some favorite list views like My Top Opportunities. I'm going to go ahead and pin these list views. These are things that your end users can do. And let's go ahead and open this list view in a new tab and add it to our nav bar. Let's do the same with our favorite projects list view called Hot Projects. We're going to pin it, and we're also going to open in a new tab and add to our nav. Now these are things, again, that your end users can do. And let's take it a couple steps further. Let's go ahead and favorite some additional records here. Favorites are a great tool both on desktop and on mobile to quickly access records that are important to you or pages that are important to you. Now on the far right of our nav, I'm going to select Edit our Sunshine app navigation items. This is where your end users can define the order of navigation items, including these brand new custom tabs I created, and what they look like in the nav. So now I'm customizing my Sunshine Chocolates nav items as an end user. As an admin, you can define whether or not this option is available to your users, but if you make it available, this is a great way for them to customize what they have available. Now let's go back into our users' mobile experience and refresh our Sunshine Chocolates app in mobile. Now we've got those navigation items reflected on our mobile experience. And when I click into, say, the overall projects tab, those pinned list views will always be available at the top as well. So these are some great tools to help your users really customize how they're engaging with apps on mobile. And I can also quickly get to my favorites on mobile as well, just from the bottom here. So a few ways to customize as an admin and to help your users customize. So I'm excited to see all of you start customizing your mobile experience, maybe making some changes to your available tabs, adding to your favorites, and finding ways to make the Salesforce mobile app really effective for your users so that they get everything they need right when they log in. And I'm excited to see screenshots of how you've customized your available tabs or your favorites or any part of the Salesforce mobile app when you share your screenshots with us with the hashtag AwesomeAdmin. Make sure to check out all of our Trailhead modules. They're linked in the blog here, as well as the Trail Mix, where we'll be posting all of the mobile videos for this week's Mobile Week, as well as relevant Trailhead modules and articles to help you get up to speed. Thanks for joining, and I will see you tomorrow.